Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner?
Yeah, let's go.
Condos versus homes. So how does the decision-making process differ when you're dealing with a condo versus just a home?
Yeah, pretty simple. When you're dealing with a homeowner, just a single family home, you've usually got two heads of the household making the decision. It's pretty easy. You can go over to the house, you can present all the options, everything right there on the table. Instant decision making, instant payment after. It's a quick, easy decision and process. Dealing with a strata board, condo association, homeowners association, we've got to submit bids. They have to interview the contractors. After that, if you're the qualified contractor, you have to come up with a game plan. You have to provide how you're going to do the project. You have to coordinate with individual unit owners throughout an entire building. Then you have to facilitate water turn-offs, water turn-ons, testing, inspections, finishing, and you have to work around time frames of that you're allowed to work in the building. On top of that, to the decision-making process, you have to go usually through a board to determine whether you did the job properly after. So not just the decision-making process to get the project or to start the project, but also when you're finishing the process, they usually have a couple heads that have to oversee it and double check all your work before payment can be issued. So quite a long process on the condo boards. Plus, not only does the board have to make a decision, a lot of times all the individual unit owners also have to have a vote on whether or not they want to go through with each individual decision as well. So, versus a homeowner that can make a decision within 20 minutes of being in their house, you could be up to a year before a condo board can actually make the decision and have authorization to move forward on a project as well.
It's obviously a longer process for the condo board, but they're just trying to ensure that it's done correctly, right?
Absolutely. There's systems in place for a reason. If a condo board could just snap their fingers and have a big multi-million-dollar project go through, I don't think that'd be conducive to making proper decisions and looking out for their homeowners in general. So all these processes are made to protect everybody and to make sure the right job is being done, the right contractor is being hired.
Awesome. Great to know. Thank you.
No problem.